Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ali Jaber Al Sabah. My channel is Ali Jaber Al Sabah. Okay. Um, Mechanical. How mechanical clock work? Shifting and clocking. Exception. Mechanical clock is one type of car clock. With the principle of the word being arranged clock handle with the word is done by pulling the clock handle of steering wheel. The position of this clock is right the crankshaft or crankshaft. In general, part of the clock system consists of three main mechanical coupling components, namely the clock unit, the reberator unit, and clock cover. The clock cover is fastened the crankshaft the part fastened the crankshaft flywheel wheel inside. This is mounted and gear shift well wick is placed between the press plate and the flywheel. The press plate will work pressing the clock plane on the flywheel where the pressure come from the clock spring. Or for the clock plate, it is designed to be able to provide great friction in the flywheel and pressure plate wick in each plate between the two. On the surface of the second clock plate is paired with a canvas and surrounded by rivet. Okay, how does the mechanical clock work? This is the same as other the types of coupling. For the working of this mechanical clock is centrally different from other type of coupling. When the engine is turned on, the gearbox will enter, but the clock handle is not interested, so the clock will work to connect the engine speed to the primary shaft of the gearbox. The rotation of the crankshaft will later continued by main or primary gears, so that the clock housing and canvas will rotate together. When the car is moving, the process that occur, the pedal is pressed and the clock handle will rotate. The lifter can we make the ballot position to have an ball that the dense with the hose cam component. As a result of this process, of course, the position of the present clock plate will move away from the ballast component so that the clock and the plate will be stretched, and after that passage of the gear can occur easily. Uh, in this type of mechanical clock, there are two-way used for the release process and the clock by not continuing the engine rotation to the transmission system, namely manual and hydraulic. Okay, there are three types of the clock release manual. Number one, push from the hot outset or outer push type. Number two, push from the inside or the inner push type. Number three, rack and pinion type. For this type, in the possible if the clock can be removed and connected directly. And for the clock release method using a hydraulic system, the working principle is to replace the function of the clock cable by using hydraulic fluid. Know that was an explanation of how the mechanical clock works, that you can now know not only the why it works or how to care for the clocks in X type also have difference from us on another. Hopefully, the above explanation can be useful for you. Thank you for the video. See you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.